Hello everyone, my name is Kajishan Al-Afi and my CS50 Introduction to Python final project is called Word Rush, a fun and interactive word game built in Python. In Word Rush, the program gives the player a small part of a word and the player has to think of an English word that contains it. Each player gets 3 attempts, and for every attempt, there is a 10-second timer. If the player fails to submit a valid word within that time limit or uses up all 3 attempts, the game ends. To make it more engaging, Word Rush also includes a high score system that saves the top scores along with player names. This feature encourages competition and motivates the player to improve their performance.